Hello Velomates and welcome once again to Gen Gym Velo. First of all, thanks so much for continuous support, for watching my videos and tuning in sa bawat new releases. Every like, every comment, and every new subscription helps the channel a lot. So ngayon pa lang, please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to show some love for Gen Gym Velo channel. So medyo kakaiba ngayon ng ating topic or ang ating format. We are starting a new series for the channel and we will call it Velo Talk. So here in Velo Talk, we will be talking about topics na related to cycling, especially about folding bikes, mini velos, and other related information. So for this first episode, I would just like to share yung ating recent haul. Alam nyo na, mga pinamili nyung nakaraang November 11. Yes, yung araw na maraming malamang perang sinayang for the sake of cycling. Pero for this year's 11/11, wala tayong biniling directly na bike parts or accessories. This time, nag-focus muna tayo sa videography. Alam nyo na, sa cameras, etc. para mas mapataas yung production quality ng videos for the channel. Karamihan na kasi ng bike parts or yung mga upgrades na favorite natin nakuha na ng 7/7 sale ng July 7. And unfortunately nga lang, wala tayong videos for that. So check out nyo na lang yung ating first bike check episode. Yung link nandun sa description and meron din link sa taas ng frame. So ayun nga, puro for general videography muna for this haul. And I hope even though hindi directly bike products, sana meron kayong makuhang ideas na pwedeng makatulong, especially kung gusto nyong mag-document ng mga bike rides or most likely for general vlogging. Let there be light. First on the list is this VGym VL81 Fill Light Module. Actually, this is a sub-company or sister company ng Ulanzi. Kilalang brand for videography or photography in general. Pwede siya makatulong sa pagdagdag ng illumination for your shots or during vlogging. I think pwede rin siyang gamiting extra lighting pag nasa rides kasi maganda yung light scatter niya. Of course, provided na meron kayong proper mounting solution like sa handlebar or helmet. Tapos meron din siyang adjustments for light intensity, pati na rin yung temperature to adapt to lighting needs sa shots ninyo. Jump muna tayo sa audio. This time microphone ang next item. This is the Boya BY-M1 lavalier mic. Ito yung mic na pwede rin tawagin na lapel mic. So, magiging helpful to if you want some focused or mas malinaw na voice quality and less wind noise during rides, or for example, kung may ini-interview kayo, kung gusto nyo marinig yung boses ninyo and ini-interview nyo ng mas maayos, pwede to. And this will directly connect with my camera. So this will help a lot in preserving the quality of audio in the videos. Another microphone from Boya. This time model is BY-MM1 Plus, a shotgun type microphone na nilalagay usually sa ibabaw ng camera. It is called a shotgun mic because it is semi-directional, meaning kung saan mo siya itutok na siya magka-capture ng audio recordings. Pero ito, kinuha ko siya kasi feeling ko mas malakas yung makaka-capture niyang sounds, and ito yung mga tinatawag natin na just point and shoot. Kung saan may tutok, i-record niya, and then mas malayo rin yung range niya. And as you can see, meron siyang windscreen na dead cut or furry windscreen that will help again for minimizing background noise. So ito, demo lang kung paano siya minamount sa kahit anong accessory. Pwede rin siya actually i-mount directly sa camera. Pero makikita nyo dito, compatible siya with the fill light module. So for example, if limited yung mounting components o mounting areas ng camera nyo, pwede nyo gawin parang ganito. Now what we have here is the Ulanzi triple cold shoe mount. So hindi naman to directly added value, pero it will help especially pagka yung camera mo nga is limited yung mounting ports o mounting points for your accessories. So ito, in-extend niya, pwede ka rin magkabit ng selfie stick dito, at from there, pwede ka magkabit ng iba pang accessories like lights, yung microphones, and other mounting necessities na kailangan mo for your videos. Next items will be directly for the camera na. As you may already know, lahat ng bike rides ko ay filmed using the Insta360 1R camera. Major issue ko lang sa 1R is like a lot of other action cameras, kahit yung GoPro, maikli lang talaga ang battery life, lalo na if filming in high resolutions. Tapos, for this example pa ng camera, 360 shots. So to address that issue, I had to get an extra battery base and a dedicated charging hub like you are seeing right now. Magiging maganda to pag kinailangan ko ng spare battery for extended filming, and also pwede na ako mag-charge ng spare battery using yung hub and the power bank while shooting videos. Ayun nga pala, if you want to check out yung camera ko, nag-include ako ng link sa description. Pag ginamit niyo yung link, may useful freebies na kasama pag bumili kayo, and minsan may malalaking discounts. And finally, last item sa haul is itong Ulanzi metal cage for the Insta360 1R. Yung stock cage kasi ng 1R, plastic lang, nakikita nyo dito sa video. Yung Ulanzi, nag-design sila ng metal cage na dedicated para sa 1R. So nagpo-provide ito ng better protection for the camera for just a small additional weight kasi nga bakal. And ang maganda sa kanya, may dalawa siyang cold shoe mount para sa mga mics, lights, or any other accessories na pwede mong ikabit sa cameras. And yun na nga, Velomates, mga na-invest natin from the recent 11/11 sale. I hope nagustuhan nyo itong ating first ever Velotalk episode, and sana may nakuha kayong ideas and new information na maaaring makatulong sa inyong cycling documentation. Once again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to Genjim Velo. Thanks once again for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming releases from the channel. Until next time, Velomates, ride safe and enjoy. Goodbye!